In this video, I'm going to show you your clickable hook and video structure to make money on YouTube in 2020. This is video number 6 in my 10-part series on how to make money on YouTube. Your hook is the title of your video and the most important part of your video. Your title and your image, or a combination of both, is why people will click on your video. We are going to use our keyword in the first part of the title, and then we need the hook. The hook needs to be relevant to the rest of your video because Google is looking at that and your clients will bounce or go away because your title and hook doesn't match what is inside your video. Let me give you some ideas. How to lose weight after a baby without reducing any calories. The number 1 cure for insomnia when all the sleeping pills don't work. Top 10 marketing tips even if you are a newbie. Now, how to lose weight after a baby, that is your keyword. Now, what we need to do with the hook is to think about the instant objection that you can solve. If you can get that right, they will click on your video. The big secret here is that you are going to reveal the hook a bit later on in your video so that they will stay on your video longer and maybe watch the whole video. This will increase your ranking and also trust on Google. The number 1 cure for insomnia is the keyword that you are going to use. And when all the sleeping pills don't work, will then be the clickbait. You are giving the cure in the keyword, and directly thereafter you will give them an objection or problem that you will solve. Top 10 marketing tips is your keyword here. You are giving the people 10 marketing tips, but what could the immediate response be? It could be that I am new to marketing. So will I understand it? Your hook or clickbait will be, even if you are a newbie. This is your marketing strategy. So to get more clicks on your videos, you have to get this right. Your video needs to have a certain structure. Let's have a look at this. First of all, you need to do your introduction with your keyword. That's the first thing you are going to say in your video. Don't make your introduction too long because you might lose engagement. Secondly, you can give them a short overview of what your video is about. Don't make this too long as well. After this, you are going to tell them that you are going to solve their problem within a few seconds. This is to keep them engaged on your video. Now, you will give them some value. The content in your video which is relevant to your keyword. This should be a minimum of 2 minutes long because you want the overall length of your video to be about 3 minutes long. After this, you go back to your hook. Explain how you are going to solve their problem. It is very important to keep your video and its content relevant. Then to end your video, you will now ask them to leave a comment and to subscribe. You are also going to explain what your next video is going to be all about. That will make them subscribe because they will now know that something of value is coming their way. So, this is all for now, and in my next video I'm going to discuss the magic high-ranking traffic formula to make money on YouTube. Don't miss it, this is highly powerful. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when my next video is published.